Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have edit or contribute rights. Without them, you cannot upload. Next, open the exact Sharepoint site and navigate to the target document library so you are ready to act. Once done, locate your files on your computer or network, single file, multiple files, or a zipped folder, and decide whether to drag and drop or use the upload button. Make sure file names follow your organization's naming rules. This avoids blocked characters and unexpected version conflicts. Now you perform the actual upload. Drag and drop into the library view or click Upload and choose Files or Folder. While the transfer runs, watch the status bar and confirm all files finish without error. After upload, Sharepoint may prompt you to enter required metadata, fill title, document type, department, or any custom columns so search and sorting work. If versioning is enabled, decide major versus minor version and complete the check-in step so colleagues can see the latest official copy. Finish by opening the uploaded file in the browser or in Office to confirm it renders and contains the expected content. Then share a link with the right access level, edit or view, so recipients can act. If something looks wrong, use version history to restore a prior copy or confirm check-in. If you encounter failures, clear browser cache, try OneDrive sync, or upload in smaller batches. These steps resolve most issues when large files or intermittent network errors cause problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.